All right, we at it again. We're doing another Ducati lost key replacement. Let me see what the paperwork says on this one. All right, 2014 Ducati 848 Streetfighter. So basically, customer sent the ignition lock, customer sent the dashboard, plan of action. We're going to get a couple key blanks, figure out what the existing cuts are, cut them onto the keys, make sure they turn in the lock nice and smooth. After that, we're going to take a couple chips similar to this, pre-code them with the data that Ducati needs to be able to start the bike. And that's about it. So again, make the key from scratch, figure out what the cuts are, make sure the lock works nice and smooth, take the chip data, program it into the dashboard, and like magic, it'll be plug and play. The bike will start right up. So I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. Here you go. 2 new keys cut from scratch. All right. Then bolt lock out. Now, those of you that get keys made by somebody, and they say they can only make the key turn on and off, no, that's not a good cut key. A key for Ducati should there you go, on and off. You can get anything to turn on and off. That's the easy part. But to engage the steering bolt lock and park, that's a whole nother ball game. You got to make sure the key is precise and everything's exact. Now, we made 2 keys from scratch. There are chips in here. They are pre-programmed to the dash, so anti-theft system will recognize it and start the bike. So at this point, it's plug and play, so you might as well say I did a little bit of magic. Plug all this up, you back up and riding again. Now, I can turn this around in 3 to 4 days. Those of you that are sending your units to someone else, do yourself a favor. Ask questions. Ask them how many Ducatis they done, you know, what they plan on doing, stuff like that. How long is it going to take? If you got them on site, make sure you ask those questions before they even touch your bike or start tearing things apart or even start messing things up. I had a little problem with this lock when I was making the keys. One of the wafers was messed up in there. I don't know if somebody stuck a tool in there, but the lock would turn sometimes because the wafer kept getting stuck, so I had to go in there and repair it. Keep in mind, y'all, if y'all send me a lock and I got to repair your lock, that's not part of the quote. I actually charge extra. My job normally is to make you a lost replacement key again, get you back up and running. My job is not to fix locks. I can, but keep in mind, I don't have parts. So if your lock is jacked up beyond repair, I can't fix it. I'm going to have to put the stuff back in the box and send it back to you. You're going to have to get you a lock from the dealer or find it used somewhere. So keep that in mind. I don't have spare parts for this because I'm not geared up to fix the locks. I'm geared up to make the keys. I can fix something that's minor, no big deal. I just got to take things apart, find the problem, and repair it. But anyway, and also, if you call people and the price might sound right to you, and they start saying, hey, it's going to take 2-3 weeks or a week or so to do it, keep this in mind. I do it in 3-4 days because I'm actually the one doing the work. If it's taking someone 1-2-3 weeks and they say, oh, I'm so busy, they might be in the background sending your unit to someone else to have the work done. I don't like having customer parts going through the mail too much. I like you to package it up, send it straight to me. I do what I do, send it straight to you. That's it. So you're responsible to get it to me. I'm responsible to get it back to you. Now, if you have other individuals involved, I got to send this somewhere else, like some people might do. Yeah, it's just a greater risk of your parts getting lost or damaged or whatever. Just food for thought. But anyway, this puppy is done. I appreciate y'all for watching. Go to the website. Give me a call if you need my help. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take, stuff like that. If you're having other bike issues, then you need to consult a motorcycle mechanic. That's not what I am. I'm just the key dude that makes the key to the locks and get you back up and running and do the programming. And that's about it. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Appreciate y'all for watching.